Hello, welcome again to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to stir fry, a simple way to stir fry broccoli with beef. Okay, the ingredients are I got about 1.5 pounds of broccoli that already been chopped up already. I slice it, and it's about a pound of beef that's already been sliced, and about two teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, about a teaspoon of ground pepper, and about 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon for flavor, and I use olive oil, and I'm gonna use chopped garlic that's been already chopped and put in a can already, like canned garlic right here, chopped up already, put in oil. So I use about a teaspoon of that. And for the beef, what you need to do for the beef, you got to marinate it first. Marinate it with cornstarch. Just put a little bit here, and the cornstarch would, kind of tenderize the beef. That's why you put the cornstarch, mix it with the beef, and put in a little bit of soy sauce, and kind of marinate it before you fry the beef. So just mix it up. Pretty simple way to do stir fry broccoli with beef. Okay, you can let the marinated beef sit in the refrigerator for maybe 10-15 minutes, or you can do it right away. I do it right away. So let's start cooking. Turn the heat high and let the wok or frying pan, let it get hot before you put the oil in. I'm going to just cook the beef first, and then I will take out the beef after it about halfway cooked, and then we're going to put in the broccoli, and then so cook the beef first, cook about halfway, and then take out the beef, and then put the broccoli in, and then cook the broccoli about halfway, and then put the beef back in. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, the wok is getting it's getting hot now, so put oil in. Couple teaspoon of oil, no need a lot. Put in the beef. Shouldn't take long to cook the beef. Okay, I think the beef is that's it. You don't want to overcook the beef anyway. And then just take the beef out. Just take it out, put it on a plate. Alright. Now put some more oil in the frying pan, the wok. Couple teaspoons of oil. And about a teaspoon of this chopped garlic. Alright. Cook the garlic for a few seconds to get that rawness out of the garlic. Alright, now that should be it, and put in the broccoli. Well, one thing about cooking the broccoli, don't overcook the broccoli. I mean, it tastes better if you don't overcook it. Alright, now put the ingredients in. Soy sauce. Brown pepper. Chicken bouillon. And oyster sauce. Stir it. Because the soy sauce and the oyster sauce have a lot of salt, and already have enough sodium in there, so you don't need to add salt. Okay. Put the beef back in. Yeah, don't overcook the broccoli. You don't want to overcook the broccoli. You overcook it, the broccoli becomes too soft, it doesn't taste that good. Alright, it's done. It's so simple. I just plate it up. Well, this is the final product, stir-fry broccoli with beef. It's so simple to do, and it's pretty healthy. So, and thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and hit the like button. And thank you again for spending time watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.